It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. Studies show that 92% of people give up on their goals after facing obstacles. But here's the twist. The remaining 8% who persist are the ones who achieve extraordinary success. The lesson? Keep going when others quit, and you'll stand among the few who make it. There comes a moment in life when you feel like giving up, when the weight of failure, disappointment, and struggle feels unbearable. But what if I told you that this moment, right here, right now, is the beginning of your transformation? This is your wake-up call. This is where you rise. What do all these people have in common? They were rejected, they failed, they were told they weren't good enough. Did you know that J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, was rejected by 12 publishers? Imagine if she had given up after the first, the second, or even the 10th rejection. The world would have never known Harry Potter. Resilience isn't about avoiding failure. It's about refusing to let failure define you. Ask yourself, how many times have you let one failure stop you? How many dreams have you abandoned just because the road got tough? The only difference between those who succeed and those who don't is that the successful ones never stop trying. Did you know your brain can be rewired for resilience? Studies show that people who train their minds to see setbacks as opportunities actually develop stronger neural pathways in their brain. The more you embrace challenges, the stronger your brain becomes. Instead of saying, "I failed," say, "I learned." Every setback is a lesson, not a dead end. Instead of focusing on what's missing, focus on what you still have. Gratitude shifts your perspective and fuels resilience. Growth comes from stepping into the unknown. Train your mind to embrace discomfort, and nothing will scare you anymore. Look at David Goggins, a man who went from an overweight, struggling young man to becoming one of the world's toughest endurance athletes. How? He mastered his mind. He conditioned himself to love the struggle, and now he's unstoppable. You can do the same. Strength isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. Confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about believing in yourself even when no one else does. It's about standing tall when life tries to break you. Step 1. Keep promises to yourself. Self-confidence is built by proving to yourself that you can trust yourself. If you say you'll wake up early, do it. If you say you'll work out, do it. Small wins create unstoppable belief. Step 2. Speak power into your life. Words shape reality. Stop saying "I can't" and start saying "I will." Stop saying "I'm not good enough" and start saying "I am capable." Step 3. Face one fear every day. Confidence is a muscle. The more you push beyond fear, the stronger you become. Remember Muhammad Ali. He declared himself the greatest before anyone else did. Why? Because he believed it. And that belief turned into reality. What if you started believing in yourself the same way? Most people quit just before they're about to succeed. The difference between those who make it and those who don't, one keeps going, the other stops. Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC, was rejected 1,009 times before someone believed in his recipe. Imagine if he had stopped at 500, 800, or even 1,008 rejections. The world would have never known KFC. What if you are just one more try away from success? Would you quit now, or would you keep going? Here's the truth. The finish line is closer than you think. This is your moment, your time, your life. You were not meant to stay down. You were not meant to settle. You were built to rise, to overcome, and to achieve greatness. No matter how many times you've fallen, stand up one more time. No matter how many doors have closed, knock on one more. Because your story isn't over yet. You are stronger than you think. You are capable of more than you believe. Rise up, never give up, If this video spoke to you, hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful insights, and share this with someone who needs to hear this today. Together, we rise.